Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 in Inferno Orange Metallic on black interior. So we'll just start over at the back of the vehicle here. I'll show you the trunk. So here's the trunk here. So it's a deeper trunk. You know, you can get two medium-sized suitcases in here, I'd say, and maybe a duffel bag as well. And we'll just have a look underneath here. I'll just flip this up and let's see. So we've got an inflation kit down there, and then there's some extra room there for some goodies for you as well. And we'll just close this up and have a look at the back. It's got the nice spoiler there on the back. It's got a reverse camera. It's also got the parking sensors in the bumper there. It's got dual exhaust with dual tip on each side, so that looks great. I really like the orange color. It really pops. Looks fabulous. Here's your rear wheel, so no curb rash, no issues. And we've got the nice ZL1 Brembo calipers on there, so nice big brakes to stop this beast of a machine. So we'll just hop over here to the passenger side. So we've got the nice leather insert. It's got the red baseball stitching on it. We've got our power windows and our power locks. We've got the nice chrome handle there. We've got the Boston Acoustics premium audio system in here. Here's the ZL1 kick plate. As you can see, it's in good shape. We've got ZL1 mats, and here's the passenger seat. So we'll just scan up that so you can see the condition. Looks good. It's got the ZL1 embroidered into the headrest up the top. And we also have power down here. So fore, aft, and the recline as well. And then on the back of the seat, there's a handle that pulls that forward so you can see the condition of the rear seat. Looks good. And that seat folds down. So that handle there at the top will pull and then drop the seat for you as well. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And here we are inside. So we've got the ZL1 emblem here. We've got the Alcantara finish here with the red baseball stitching that goes along. Nice jet style vents in the glove box. Let's see, we've got the wheel locks, and we've got a set of books as well. So that's all there for you. And we'll close that up and let's hop out. So we'll just close up this side here. And I'll just run down the side of the car here for you. So no dings, no dents, no scratches, no issues. Looks great. We've got the chrome Camaro symbol there. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues. And like I said, ZL1 Brembo brakes on there. So big brakes to stop the very fast machine here. So here we are under the hood. So we've got the supercharged V8 engine, so it's 580 horsepower paired to the 6-speed manual transmission. So lots of power, lots of fun. And as you can see, it looks nice and clean. And we've got the strut tower brace there, and then we've got the air breather that goes in up here as well. So very, very cool machine. We'll just close this up so we can have a look at the top. So we've got the exposed carbon fiber that goes up the hood, and then we've got the ZL1 emblems on each side there. It looks great. And then I'll let you take a look at the front end. We've got the nice HID projector headlights with LED daytime running lights. We've got fog lights below. And as you can see, the chin spoiler's in great shape. Looks good. We've got the ZL1 logo in the grille there. In terms of issues, let's see. There's one little stone chip here. And have a look at that paint. Isn't that paint just gorgeous? Love the fleck in it. It looks great. And so this is how the vehicle's landed to us too, just so you know. So it's a super clean car. We haven't done anything to it yet, so we'll do another video there too once we've got it all polished up for you. So there's another little chip there that we'll touch up, and that one just buffs out. So yeah, that's about it. Outside of that, the front end looks great. And I'll just swing around the side here. So there's your other front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues. Big Brembo brakes. And we've got nice Goodyear Eagle F1 tires on there. So that's great. And same thing back here. So looks great. So here we are at the driver's side. So we've got power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Nice chrome finish around the handle there. We've got the Boston acoustic stereo. We've got the leather insert with the red baseball stitching. Looks great. And here we are on the inside. So we've got the ZL1 kick plate. Looks like it's in good shape. And then here's the seat. I'll just scan up the seat there for you. Looks great. And we got the ZL1 embroidered in the headrest. And then we've got the power option on the seat down here as well. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in and fire this one up. All right. Oh, nice growl to it, sounds great. So I'll just close the door here. So in terms of mileage, we have 12,713 kilometers on it. So nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash, looks great. I don't know if you can see up top, but it's got heads-up display. And where's that? That's on this side here. So we can cycle through, we can move it around, we can change what's displayed. So there's some different options there. We can change the brightness. Perfect. I like this one here, so we'll leave it there. And down on the steering wheel, we've got phone controls, voice controls. We got hang up for the phone or mute. If you press this in, that'll change source. If you roll it like this, that'll change the track. And then we've got our volume controls over here. This is cruise on or off, and then we've got set and resume, and then cancel for cruise. Up here, this is your menu button, so when you hit menu, that's how you can cycle through the different menus up on the screen there. And then you got your wiper control over here. There's your heads-up display and key start there. And here's your Mylink Radio. So if we turn this on, if we hit home, we've got factory navigation, so that's great, that's there. And let's see, back. So we've got AM, FM, XM radio, we got Stitcher, we got Bluetooth, so you can stream Bluetooth, you got auxiliary in if you like, pictures, so there's some different options there. And then if I put it in reverse, there's your reverse camera. And if we look down here, there's your heating controls. We also have heated seats here. So there's your heated seat, and your climate controls are here. And then down below, you've got some gauges. So we've got oil pressure, oil temperature, and a couple other ones there. So that's great. And then down here, let's see, we've got tour and sport mode. We've got traction control on and off. We've got a 12-volt socket there, and then there's your shifter with the Alcantara boot on it, so that's great. We've got our cup holder here, and in here there's your 12-volt socket, USB, and line in for your radio. And then up here we do have the sunroof, so I'll just show you that that's opening. That works, sounds great, and there it is closing. Perfect. And then you've got your frameless mirror with OnStar, universal garage buttons up there, and your lighting option up here. So very cool. And let's hop out with this one running and have a listen. Great sound to it. Here it is from the front with the headlights on, so you can see those LED DRLs with the bright HIDs. Looks great. Scan down this side here. No dings, no dents, no issues. Looks good. Here's your exhaust. And it does have NPP. I can see the valve up there. So that means the exhaust, you can make it louder or quieter. So that's great. Great chug to it. And there we are. There you have it, folks. 2013 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 in Inferno Orange Metallic here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.